Hey guys, I'm Shahad. Welcome back to my channel. I know, I hear you. It's been a while. It's been like, I don't know, 2 months, 1 month, I don't know, or 2. I've just had like a lot going on. I just moved and I'm in Vietnam right now. Yay! I'm just gonna talk about that later, or maybe not, because some of you was not interested. Like, I don't know, do you even like me? But anyway, I'm gonna do maybe like a life update or something. I made a poll and y'all was like, you were not giving me what you wanted, and I don't know what you really want. But I wanted to start off with the first thing that actually came in. So since I moved to Vietnam, I have received so I don't know if you remember, I did my skincare routine like a while ago, and I specifically did that and said that nothing was actually sponsored, because a lot of people were saying like, we want something that you really use, and I was absolutely honest with you guys. I told you what I used, what I preferred for my skin, and what worked for me. And kindly enough, the small FOREO facial scrub that I talked about, they actually reached out to me and sent me a new, and that is so kind of them. And it's a huge company, a huge brand that I actually love, because I've talked about this before and it was my opinion. They were kind enough to send me a big one, and I just wanted to show you how and talk about it more first. And I talked about this a lot, that it is so good for your skin, and I would prefer this over any brush or like an electronic, you know, the one that has fibers. Those I would not recommend. Now I still use this one, the one that I talked about. It's still in the box. I just want to say that this is not the rechargeable one. This is not the rechargeable one. This is literally like the small one that I bought. Okay, but let me tell you one thing about this before we start and talk about this, dude. I'm gonna do the unboxing first. I have used this over a year. Like, I am actually going in my 2nd year using this, and this is unrechargeable. I use this twice a day for like 2 minutes on my face. So you can imagine the one that I'm gonna unbox right now, how long it stays. So I'm just amused by knowing that. Like, I actually bought that without reading like into it more, but now I'm like so wowed by it, and I'm so happy, more excited. So let me show you what I have right now. So this is the Luna 2 for sensitive skin. Now you can actually use this whether you're sensitive skin or like normal skin, because I don't think you have to worry whether you have a sensitive skin or not, because the silicone bristles that are on this device is actually like so gentle. It wouldn't scratch your face like a nylon bristle, you know, whatever you use. And I'm gonna just tell you what it does and why it's best for you, because I sometimes don't like, because I've been moving a lot lately and I've been so tired, I don't have time to do anything, I don't want to do anything. So to be honest, I just wash my face. I use this with my facial cleanser, whatever facial cleanser you want to use, you can, and that's it, because it leaves your face so smooth, so clear, and just so soft. Like, it doesn't need anything. It doesn't even dry my face. Like, I have a dry face and I just don't have time to do my nighttime skincare routine usually, so I just use that. So here she is. She's a little bougie. And this, I just want to say that this is a Swedish company and it's luxury, and I feel so bougie right now, so thank you. There she is. There she is. I love this so much. I feel like I don't want to open it. So first, I want to talk about it. I just want to say why this is best for your skin. Now, let me tell you why. First and foremost, this is an ultra hygienic medical grade silicone, resist the buildup of bacteria. And hear this carefully, because this blew my mind away, which makes it 35 times more hygienic than nylon bristle facial brushes. That is so scary, because these silicone brushes that are here, I'm gonna show you in a bit, those are antibacterial. Like, they don't catch a bacteria no matter what you do. And I have used like nylon brushes before. They somehow, when you scrub your face, whether they vibrate, whether you have the one that you scrub with your hands, they push the product in. This does not, because it's like massaging your pores, and it takes out what's left in your pores. So makeup wipes is not the only option. Like, makeup wipes are disgusting to start with. I'm sorry, I use them too, but after that I have to use my FOREO device, wipe off your makeup, and then you use that. Why I like this product also is because, like, I use it maybe like, you know, just once, and you can see the actual makeup that was in your pores. So that is why I hate makeup wipes, but that is the quickest way. But then you can actually use a makeup remover with this, like with this one. Squirt on, you know, the facial makeup cleansing remover, and you can use that actually. It'll be much easier. But I don't know why I do that. Maybe I'm gonna change this. You know, this is the best way to treat your skin. Like if you don't want to, you don't have to buy like expensive high-end skincare products. If you can only have this, and this is what I prefer personally. I will not ever regret getting this. I also know that they have a lot of stuff, like they also have toothbrushes, because I read an article like a while back ago, and it just shocked me, and like I got disgusted that even your toothbrush, if you leave it in your bathroom, is not hygienic because it's a bathroom, if you know what I mean. So that is not hygienic too. Yeah. And this is, you know, this is an antibacterial silicone brush, which I truly believe in, because whenever I use it, my face is cleaner than ever, and I use a toner like after using it. You can like, there is no residue. There is no makeup residue. There is no nothing, no dirt residue. I just have to use that. Okay, I don't know if you can see the bristles. They are so soft, so soft. Whether you have a sensitive skin or not, it will work perfect. You can use this also. And also, so this also vibrates, and it helps for the, you know, the wrinkles, you know, the fine lines. It helps, you know, the vibration of this device helps with that. And this is where you can recharge it right here. And I believe, look at that, that's the bag. It's so bougie and it's so cute. I'd rather oil myself with these devices better than I do with creams and stuff. But this is what I prefer. Maybe it's because I have, you know, clear skin. I don't know, but this is the best so far. I'm gonna put that in. And this is the charger. Now, one charge lasts up to 450 uses of this device. And as I said, that this is a anti-aging device. This side, which you have like lines around here, this side is for your wrinkles. As it vibrates, it just reduces wrinkles around your face. This is it. This is, I think, is the best thing to start for a better and healthy skin. Non-gross nylon bristles. Use silicone based bristles that are antibacterial and hygienic, and it's eco-friendly. And also, I just want to point out that if you like ever want to, like, you don't want to use it anymore, you just don't throw it in the garbage or anything. You just contact FOREO, and they can actually use whatever is inside. They can reuse it for recycled purposes, and that helps the environment, as well as not using nylon bristles, facial scrub, and also toothbrushes. Whatever is nylon, plastic, please try to avoid that. We're trying to help the world, help the environment, and make it a better place. And if you want to start to make a healthy lifestyle environment, you have to start it with yourself. And this is the way to start. And if you're into like makeup and stuff, first try on yourself. Try with, you know, whatever you're using. Get rid of the things that are ruining the environment around you, and whatever you use, so you can help others. So I hope I did help you, kind of convince you to do so. But anyway, I just want to say a huge thank you to FOREO for sending me this. I love this device. As you know, this is like not another promotion or sponsor. I have true love of this device because I have used this, and I will not ever get rid of this because you know how the sister. And this is not sponsored whatsoever. I just love this product so much, and I'm so glad that I have this one right now. I will link FOREO's website so you can see, and if you are interested in buying any of their devices or brushes or whatever, because they have a lot of range of stuff. So I will link their website down below. Be sure to check it out, have some fun, read about it, you know, read about what you're getting, know what you're doing to your faces. Antibacterial hygienic devices, it's better for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you do the best for this world and for your face too. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much. Bye.